out just what sets apart these real winners from people who are, just ordinary and we are struggling through life. And invariably it is this, that they are doing what they are inherently good at, and they are at it. It's very consistent effort. In this movie Three Idiots, there's this dialogue, right, that if Sachin Tendulkar were made to sing or Lata Mangeshkar were made to play cricket, they won't be half as spectacular as they are. But because they played to their strengths. So no, people think like this is also very important to state, because there is this one YouTuber. Her name's she goes by the name of Ayo Shraddha, and it is so cute, her videos. I wish I had that ability of she does a lot of this miming, mimicking of the Tullu auntie at a wedding, and on Instagram also it's so, and it is so consistent. She's been putting up these videos, and no wonder she featured in Pushpavali, this particular Amazon series. And also on Instagram also she has like 194 views, 194k views on each video. So they are just playing to their strengths. So really, people, you and me also can make a difference if only we are consistent in our efforts and we play to our strengths. So lots of gyan over this one video. But on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.